Bunny, the clever bunny detective, enjoys a moment of tranquility in his meadow, unaware of the mystery that is about to come his way. The distressed squirrel's letter reaches Benjamin's paws.
Now I'll explain step by step how to turn Benjamin's story into a video without designing visuals or writing a story, and all for free. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Sharp eyes are quick to find the hidden clue left intentionally. Bunny's investigation takes an unexpected turn as he uncovers not just missing acorns, but also delicate butterfly wings and bird feathers.
Start by opening your browser and searching for Artflow. Don't worry, I'll also leave the link in the description so you can access it easily. Once you're on the site, the screen for creating characters will open. Here, we'll be creating videos by generating stories step by step. As you can see, there are sample videos available. Let's check one out.
In the weightless embrace of space, Captain Croc, the intrepid crocodile astronaut, finds himself yearning for something more. Every movement, every adjustment of his webbed...
Now it's time to start writing our own story. Click on the My Story section and select Create My First Story. Here, you can either write your story directly or upload one you've already written. The tool will ask you some questions to help shape your story. For instance, you'll select your target audience, who will be watching the story. Then you'll define the purpose of the story. What is it trying to achieve? You can choose from the suggested options or write your purpose separately. Next, indicate the type of story it will be. For example, I chose a children's story. Then I provided a simple idea for the plot. A father teaching his daughter how to ride a bike or swim. This prompt should be in English, of course. Once the story is generated, you can read it, edit it, or click Rewrite if you're not satisfied. I decided to continue with this story and requested the tool to generate characters and scenes based on it. It's important to select the correct aspect ratio depending on the platform where you'll share your story. You can also choose the style of visuals you'd like. For my children's story, I went with the storybook style since it fits the theme best. Unlike character creation in Artflow, which can take a long time, generating visuals and characters for a story typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The process started quickly, and the first characters, a girl and her father, were created. For example, I created a pink-haired girl who looks very child-friendly. You can update the prompt to redesign the character if needed. You can also make changes at this stage. Note that 1 credit will be used each time you regenerate visuals or characters. If you've already created characters before, you can use them again, or you can request the tool to integrate pre-designed faces into the characters. Next, I asked Artflow to generate visuals that match the scenes in the story. For example, one scene showed a girl riding a bike, and the background fit the narrative perfectly. At this point, you can select between different character poses. One may be facing forward, while another may be in profile. You can also adjust actions, like whether the character is walking, sitting, or riding a bike, and modify the background prompt for more tailored visuals. The video creation process usually takes 1 to 5 minutes. Let's watch the result.
Beneath the warm sun, the tiny rider stood brave and eager, her helmet gleaming like treasure. Today was the day for adventure on wheels. With a reassuring grin, an excited guide knelt close. "Let's go, my little champion," he cheered, his voice full of hope. Her foot pushed down. The bike wobbled, trembled with anticipation. Heart racing, she felt the wind teasing her hair. Whoosh! She toppled into the welcoming grass, the soft landing a gentle hug, but the gleam in her eyes sparkled with determination. With a resolute puff of air, she dusted off the green blades and smoothed her helmet. "I'll try again!" Farther back, laughter floated on the breeze. "Every tumble is a tale," he shared, his words like magic sparking courage. Energy flowed. She steadied her grip. Pedal, pedal, the rhythm of bravery in her heart. Here I go. A furry flash. A mischievous creature darted past, leaving her giggling in surprise. Oopsie, she squealed, delight washing over her. Soft leaves welcomed her tumble. Instead of tears, sweet giggles erupted, turning the mishap into a merry dance. With a joyful heart, she hopped back on, eyes sparkling with mischief. Again, she declared, ready for more. As dusk cloaked the day in warmth, she pedaled onward. A whirl of red and pink felt like flying. Cheers rang out, a proud heart bursting with joy. You did it! Middle of her adventure, laughter glimmered like stars.
As you can see, Artflow wrote the story, designed the scenes, and even created a narrated video, all with minimal credits. I think it's very successful. You can always tweak the story to make it more exciting, or use another editing tool to enhance it further. I've also shared the link to a tool in the description if you want to create more dynamic or thrilling videos, like children's animations or movie-like scenes. I hope this guide helps you create your own videos with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you've watched this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.